morning everyone, my name is Stephen and join me in my vlog in Pisit. So let's go. So let's wait for them. Well, they're at the school, so let's move there to see if they're there. So hello. Hi, regroup. Hello. Pagay mo.
Hi! Hi guys! Welcome to my earth. Pataas na, para nindot na, nana. Ato na may kisit guys. Ako aning may camera guys, kuba guys.
Patay.
Ulam.
So we had a little setback from our ride today, so we're walking to Pisit. So I'll let you know, I will cut the video if we are there. So we're here now. Wala na sila. Oh. Na Digan. Na Andy. So we're in our lecture today. We just finished drawing. So let's wait. I will update you after the class. So guys,
Kani po siya nag-vlog po niya sa para sa kuan.
sponsored by Kuan Mushad Lasala.
You're black. You racist.
What the hell?
Why are you filming me? Something like that. Nangaon po this.
So we're having lunch food. As you can see, I was checking the switches. I was checking everything before we plug the FDAS in, because if we don't check this, the 20,000 panel board of the FDAS will explode and we will need to pay the fine to fix it. So that concludes our day in Pisit. Thank you everyone for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and that's all. Thank you.